Everyone, welcome back and thank you for uh, joining in for today's session. So today's topic is UTC time format. Okay, so I will try to cover both Cloudflow and Desktop Flow. Okay, so Power Automate returns dates in ISO format, that is 8601 format. It is a global standard that includes both time and time zone. ISO 8601 is an internationally agreed way to represent dates and times, and this is the order. Okay, year, month, date, hour, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. Okay, so this is the example, and and the function in Power Automate is UTC now function. So when you use UTC now function in Power Automate in Compose or in Compose, actually you will get the UTC, you will see the date in UTC format. Okay, so you can use it for timestamps, logging events, or whatever. Okay, and if you want to convert from UTC time zone to some other time zone, you can use this format. You can use this function convert from UTC, and then you have to pass these parameters. This is the date, okay, in the variable, or your current date, what you which you want to convert, then your destination time zone, like suppose you want to UTC to IST, you need to mention IST here, and then the required format. Okay, so this is an example I have mentioned here. Okay, so this is the date variable which will hold your current date in UTC format, and then your destination time zone here, just for example it is Central Europe time. Okay, and this is the format YYMMDD mm. Okay, now moving on to, yeah, so you can use this convert time zone action also. Okay, in Power Automate Cloud, and you need to pass the destination time zone over here. Okay, so in the drop down you can select whatever time zone you want. Okay, now coming to desktop flows, so you can get current date and time. Okay, using get current date and time action. So you can you need to pass all these input parameters, whatever time, if you want, like which specific time zone you can give that, or Windows time zone, or some custom format you can give that. Okay, so this I took it from the Microsoft portal, that is the Learn Power Automate tutorial portal. Okay, and if you want to convert date time to some particular format, you can use convert date time to text format. Okay, so you need to pass your date and then you give your format, so it will return you in that specific format. This is very useful for the code, for coding in different formats, right? I mean, if you want to, the requirement is to have in multiple different formats, you can use this action. Actually, this is very useful. Now reverse, like if you want to convert text to a date time, like if you have a text from Excel, you want to convert into a date time, you can do that using convert text to date time form action. So this is the action, and these are the formats, like date formats, short date, long date, and all this. This also I took it from the Microsoft Learn website. Okay, so this is very handy. You need to note it down for your future reference. Okay, so like for you want to just get the hour from for 12 to 12, right, in a 24-hour time zone format, time format, sorry, you need to give HH in caps. Okay, and if you want to if you want the minutes from in this format, in the double digit 00 to 59, you need to give mm. Okay, so mostly we will use this format, HH, uh, capital HH, and then mm. Okay, Then for seconds we will use this double S. Okay. uh, okay. And if you want in particular format, you give that you want to know which is that format, you can give that ZZ. Okay. So now I will move on to the text of flow. So how do you get the UTC format? So here you come, you select your current date and time zone, you select Windows time zone, then you select the Windows time zone you want to get it in UTC, right? So this is the one you need to select, coordinated time, universal time. Then you save it. When you run it, you will get the time in UTC format. Okay. Then I discussed about the converting date to particular format. So you can use this convert date time to text. So you're given here custom. Okay. Then extended format. So you can just put it over here, and then you need to mention T here. Okay. For the UTC format. Then SS. Okay. And then Z. Okay, it will give you in UTC format also. So let me run it. Yeah, so first I will run this one. I just want to check in UTC what is the time it is showing. So here I will get the currently executed value. Okay, so here it has given me, so it is 1342. So this is the UTC time, but my India time is 1912. Okay, so this is the okay. Then suppose I want in this form in this time zone, London time zone. Okay, so let's see what it is giving me. Okay, let me stop it. Okay, so this is the time in London now, 1443. Now let me see what is the format I've given here. Okay, so 243, right? Okay, so this is the format it has returned me. I think this is a UTC format. Let me check whether both are matching or not. Yeah, so this is 1343, this is 143. Uh, I think we need to change over here, right, for that 24-hour notation, right? So that we need to do, otherwise both are matching. Okay, so this is also returning you in UTC format, and this is also returning you in UTC format. So please note down this format. If you want the dates to be in particular UTC format, you need to give less payments. Why it is not showing correctly? Yeah, so you need to pass your current date time, then custom, and then custom format. So this should be your format. Okay, so notice the capital T over here and then capital Z at the last. Okay, so this is very useful. Okay, so for converting to particular UTC time format. I think that's all I have for today. So thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.